So in today's video, I'm flying the Mini 5 Pro using the RC2 controller, and what we're doing a distance test over the sea. Now, if you watched my other video, we went over the land, and obviously because it was quite mountainery, it went quite a distance, but it didn't go far enough. So I thought this time we go over the sea. Now, guys, this is not a maximum distance test. I just don't see the point of that, to be honest, because this will go quite a distance. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fly the drone out to about 50% on the battery and then return it. But I think you might be interested to see how far this goes on 50% of the battery. Anyway, enjoy, and yeah, you see what happens. A slippery table. Okay. Bring it up. Bring it up. Checking out for seagulls. Because I can see out there, there's quite a few fishing. But anyway, I've sent it out. Yeah. Sent it out. God, I'll tell you what, that's going 30 miles per hour, believe it or not. That's amazing, that. I can't believe how fast that drone goes out. And that's on normal mode. Right, so we just sit back here, because it could be a while, really. I might put on, yeah, I'll put on some music, because this could be a bit boring, really. Now, where am I in Spain? Oh yeah, we're not going to hit any land, that's for sure, because I'm on the east side of Spain. Now we're thousands of miles away from any land. So anyway, it's going out there. We've got 32%. Battery is going down to 86. I mean, another thing is I want to go out in that water. It's cold. It's cold at the moment. And if you hear my words a bit slurred, it's because my front tooth fell out. Well, it broke, really. So yeah, it's not so good. Okay, so we're still doing well. We've got 31 satellites, still got good signal, but reception anyway. That's the main thing. But I'm surprised the amount of boats that are out there today. It must be a good day for fishing. Okay, still looking good. Now, it seems that the miles per hour is slowing, well, it's down to 29 miles per hour now. What I will do, guys, is once I start to lose signal a bit, I will bring it back, because, yeah, I'll bring it back. Be interesting to see any more boats out there. Oh, might be lucky with the sun. I can see there's a sun over there in the clouds. Got the home point on the screen, which is good. That's the main thing. Still good signal. Right, It's dropped down to 4 bars now. Now I'm over 1,000 now. I'm not going to push it too much because this is not a maximum distance, it's just a distance test over the sea. Back down to 4 bars. Now I'm on to, it's just flickering there. Okay. That's the distance that I've never, you know what, this is one thing I've never, over the years that I've done drone videos, is distance tests is not one of them. Okay. But amazingly, I've still got a full signal, which is good, I must say. Right. I'll tell you what I'm going to do, guys. When I get to 50%, I'm going to come back. Because to me, that's a long way. I am amazed, really, you know, how far this thing goes. Okay, I'm gonna do return to home now, guys. So there it is. That's a fair old way, I must say. But anyway, I got 50%.
Return to home.
And to be honest, that's a long way. And I just think, you know, I love this drone, the Mini 5 Pro. If it had been the flip, I've just kept it going. But my Mini 5 Pro, I'm amazed at that distance. And we got a long way to come back as well, but yeah. No, I don't think. It's interesting. Yeah, just going over the top now. Right, it's coming in now. You can see that lorry. And just in case you was asking about what's behind me, it's where most of your tomatoes come from, guys. And they do all different sorts of colours, like black tomatoes, purple tomatoes, and obviously red tomatoes. Right, so anyway, it's coming in the land. What it was, it was unsure, but because I suppose what it was, I did actually move the surface a bit. Anyway, okay, so I did chicken out a little bit. I think, to be honest, I've got 26 left on the battery, so it could have gone a little bit further. I didn't want to push it, but it just proves that these drones can go a distance. I think that's the main thing, and the reason why I used the sea this time, other than when I used the landscape. There was no obstructions, and to be quite honest, the signal was working fine. It did that thing again when it was coming back for some reason. The signal was dropping out, but that does that for some reason. But other than that, yeah, it worked fine. I thought, I know it's not the best of days, but we've had some really crappy weather lately here in Spain. Don't know what's going on at the moment. But anyway, the main thing is, guys, that drone can go a distance. And hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, that was interesting. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.